Hello everybody, this is Eddie with Mobile Homestead Solar Services and Mobile Homesteading. And my solar power system is not working. What in the heck? I mean, it's a little cloudy today, but I should be getting something. Let's check up here and see what the problem is. Beautiful warm day here in Arizona, right? Wait a minute. Yeah, there's the problem. Most people don't think about Arizona having snow, but we're up here at 6,600 feet. It's not a lot. It's only about 5-6 inches at the most. But it's beautiful. You guys have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. God bless, and don't forget the reason for the season, my folks. Happy trails.